Welcome to today's video. I'm your host, Kyle Morris. So, we just got done for the day. I've been standing here for about 8 hours because I got done at noon. So, just wrapping things up over here. They're almost done finally, so we're gonna load the trailer up and head down to the nearest gas station. I just gotta drain the fuel tank and put some pump gas in it, and we're ready to roll.
Ready to roll. We're running behind. You know, the schedule kind of bummed because we had so many oil downs today. You know, and now we're kind of rushing around trying to get out of here so we can get down to Bradenton. It's a ways to go. A lot of stuff to do to make the changeover from drag strip to drag race, and then back to street, and then back. But I think we're doing pretty good. We just about got everything wrapped up. Got to button up a few boxes, put the tires on, and we'll be out of here.
So Mitch, have you ridden in Kyle's car before?
Probably 300 feet.
So 300 feet.
Yeah, about a football field.
How is it gonna go with, you know, having to ride in it for a while? Are you gonna sleep like a baby?
Probably not. Probably ears ringing and all the rest of it, but you know.
You ready to navigate?
Sure. I got the map.
It's like the first time doing this. Everybody's waiting on us, trying to sort everything out and get everything figured out. You keep working, man, but it's just it can be a little bit tiresome trying to figure it out as you go. Have you ever ridden in Steve's wagon before? No, this is the first time. So you haven't ridden in it? No, I have not done this, and I have not done the teardown in between races. I did a quick brief deal with Steve a couple weeks ago, and that's about it. And I'm exhausted, and I have to navigate because we have no idea where we're going. So that'll be interesting.
I'm just changing over to the pump gas tune now.
Because you're able to get gas here, right?
Yeah, just like literally a gallon basically. So only enough to make it to the gas station. I'm sure it'll probably be sputtering.
Let me look. Dang it, 7:35. Well, actually, that's probably a little less or a little more than an hour to load up or to do the changeover, which isn't bad. So, we're ready to rock and roll. There's not even any gas in my tank. It was literally, I had 3 pounds of fuel pressure pulling in here.
And then I did soccer league in the world, La Liga Santander.
Good old pump gas, man. Good old pump gas.
You gonna make it past the? I mean, this is what, first 8 minutes?
Oh no, we're good. We're good. We'll be fine.
Moral of the story: have the thing out, and not just be like, "Oh yeah, sure."
The problem is looking at that, trying to see where you're going, and and see the road.
Newbies.
I'm a newbie.
After you get over the irritation, it's a little funny.
It's really not that funny. I sucked that up pretty bad. Trying to read the map, trying to figure out where I'm going, trying to figure out where the turns are.
It's hard.
It's a pain in the
hard.
You can't hardly see out the windshield.
He can't see more than 8 feet in front of his car at all.
Right. I got a little film on the inside of the windshield, and it is hard to see. You got glares and all this other stuff, and it's not perfectly clear. So I'm gonna hit it with some Rain-X on the inside, see if I can maybe get it polished up just a little bit. Hit Rain-X on the outside, see what I can do. All right, so we got here to the first checkpoint, and actually, the gas station was so close, I just wasn't really paying attention. And as we got out on the road, I noticed that I do not have second gear, and there is no second gear. And then all the dots connected, and it's like, oh my gosh, that's why after I broke the third member last night, broke the pinion on that gear. Right when I went into second gear, it rolled the sprag of the transmission. So when I made the pass this morning and knocked the tire off right away, didn't know anything because whatever, I'd aborted the pass. Never thought about it, then went out to make that 674 pass, and like I said earlier, I knew that something was weird, something had happened. I was trying to figure it out and look at it because it's like the thing over-revved. It's never gone up 9,000 RPM. Well, it went up to 9,000 RPMs because it rolled the sprag in second gear, which just makes it stay in first gear. It never goes into second gear. And then when it hit third gear, then the car took back off, and that's why it was slower than a turd. So I'm gonna race it in. I'm gonna set up my shifter, so I'm just gonna race first and third gear. Cause I'm pretty darn sure I know I can go faster than 674 if it wouldn't have laid over so hard because it over revved and I think it does something with might have done something with boost. Definitely does something with timing right there when I over rev like that. So I'll add one more thing to the pile. Ain't done yet. Yeah, there you go. Ain't done yet. Can't kill me.
What you think so far?
So far, so good. It's nice and warm, toasty. Yeah, transmission's doing good. Shout out to Rosler. Engine's doing good. Staying nice and cool. But yeah, ride's a little bumpy. Not too bad though. That's all I got to say about that.
So you got the arrows going. And then you cross off which street you're done with.
You just hold it.
Oh, trailers.
I know, that's what threw me off. I was just like, I got trailers, dude.
Is there a bathroom in there?
Yeah, they got one in there.
Good enough for P, though. That's it.
Go line your Hemi up with it, man.
Y'all gotta give me at least a 6-car line, please. At least 6.
Give me the back tire. Give me the back tire.
That's crazy, man.
Y'all gotta give me at least 6 cars. And it's not gonna be from a dig. Rolling.
No, it won't matter.
It won't matter.
Yeah, man. You
at
guys
all.
going DeSoto?
We're on our way over to Braden.
Yeah, DeSoto Raceway, right? On 64. Yeah.
Yeah, we've got to go to a check. There's a checkpoint that we have to check into and get pictures, and then tomorrow we race. We just left Orlando. Well, not just. But
I'm surprised those things pull those trailers like that.
yeah,
You get behind us.
A bumper pull.
Says it all.
Fuel pressure says when it goes down, that means it's almost on E. So you come by the small gas station, there's 4 officers saying, what the
Hit that trailer?
Only 9 miles to the hotel. This is checkpoint 2, Woody's River Roo Pub and Grill. Long since closed. Actually, they're just closed because it is 1:46 a.m. And we're ready for a solid 4 hours of sleep, people. Let me tell you, before we got to start this whole show all over again. But it is what it is. Lord willing, I won't be leaving so late, and I won't have other. Well, I don't know. I forgot what I was gonna say. Getting too tired to talk. So, see you in the morning.